This is the Samsung Q9x. Hey there, I'm Kevin Colby, and I'm really excited to be talking about this mic today that Samsung did send me. Full disclosure, they are not sponsoring this video. They don't even get to see it. So the Samsung Q9x mic is a dynamic mic, and it's an XLR mic. The reason you need to know that is because you're going to have some kind of audio interface. Unlike a USB mic where you can plug it right into a computer, you will need some kind of audio interface. Right now, I have mine running directly into my Elgato Wave XLR, and then that goes straight into my computer. Now, on the back of this, there's only one other button, and it's a mid-boost button. And right now, I have it on, so if I turn it off, you're going to hear the difference. Ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. And it's off. What that should do is it kind of enhances your voice, which Samsung really promotes this as a vocal mic. When I was playing around with this the first time, I didn't think I would like the mid-range, but I think I like it on better. So I'm going to turn it on again in 3, 2, 1, and now you can hear it with the mid-range on. And what do you think? Which one do you like better? I think I like it better on. Now, Samsung also includes this really huge windscreen, and it's just black foam, but this is nice. So like right now, there's an air conditioning going on because it's a little warm in my office. It might be good to keep that on, and it can help with what's called plosives, those So in the box, you get the mic and a manual, and that's it. Well, there's some cardboard and plastic, but other than that, that's it. You'll need to get an XLR cable, which honestly is kind of frustrating. Now, you can pick one up on Amazon and Amazon Basics XLR. I'll put a link to that down in the description, along with everything else I'm talking about. Rode does the same thing too, and it would be really nice if they would include that XLR cable with it, but they don't. Did I mention it's heavy and it's metal? So it's like heavy metal. Let that sink in for a second. But it's a good, solid build. The only thing plastic I can find is on the side with maybe these little plastic parts that I'm not really sure what they do. But other than that, it's a pretty solid mic. And I can't remember if I mentioned this or not. This does not need any additional power. You may have heard things like phantom power. This mic does not need that. It doesn't take batteries. It powers itself. So when I plug this into my Elgato Wave XLR, it's on and it's ready to go. And that's kind of cool. So you don't have to worry about charging it up and things like that. So sometimes you might need a little extra power for your mic, like a little extra gain. And if you do, Samsung also sent me this I was going to mention to you. It is their high-rise mic booster, and it does exactly what it says. Now, this does need power. Whatever you plug this into has to have phantom power, but you literally would plug your mic into here. So if I was using this mic would plug into there, and you come from here out again to your audio interface or your mixing board. And then it's got all these controls that you can use, and it gives you actually more volume if you wanted that. This is sold separately, but that is an option that you might want to consider if you feel like with this mic or any other mic, you just need a little bit more oomph. Oomph is a technical term. Remember, I'm a video guy. I know things like that. Price-wise, it's not bad. It's a little bit more than the Rode PodMic, but it's a lot less than the new Rode PodMic USB. But again, with that mic, you're getting an XLR and a USB. Now, it does cost more than the Samsung Q2U, so if you're looking for another solid mic that does XLR and USB, then I would recommend that one as well. Overall, the Samsung Q9x seems to be a very solid mic, no frills, but good for vocals and just kind of gets the job done. So check out the links down in the description. Let me know what you think about the sound of it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.